What's going on? This is Chris Wilson. Hope you're doing well. This is part two of the Woodvale project. If you recall, on our first time here, we took you into the house, and that was in March of 2018. We're now in the month of August. We've been working hard on the project since the beginning of March. Now let's take a look at our finished product. Let's go.
Wait a second. Was that going too fast? Would you like to see the completed house with a full description? Well, just click on the link below so you can see before and after photos of our project, get details about how we structured the transaction, get inside tips on getting started in real estate investment, plus much, much more. Just click the link on the bottom.